Becky's edible cutlery. Hey, have you ever imagined to eat up the spoons with which we eat our food? Oh, is it possible? Yeah, it is possible because Mr. Narayan Pizza Patty Kayam Hashmi, an Indian person, has invented the idea of edible cutlery and founded the Becky's Edible Cutlery in 2010 in Hyderabad, India. This edible cutlery is eco-friendly and made with the jowar, wheat, rice and millets. Let's see the use of this edible cutlery. The edible spoons, forks, chopsticks can be used while consuming any foods. After eating our food with the edible cutlery, it can either be eaten or can be thrown away as per the consumer's wish, as these cutlery being biodegradable, thus environment friendly. Now let's move towards the significance. First, these edible spoons are 100% natural without any preservatives. Second, use of these spoons can reduce the use of plastic spoons. Third, eco-friendly spoons contribute in environmental preservation. Fourth, this initiative has tried to increase the production of millets, which preserves 6000% of water in comparison to rice on 1 acre of yield. Fifth, the spoons in this cutlery are available in various tasty flavors such as cumins, mint ginger, sugar, etc., which attracts the people towards this cutlery. Sixth, these spoons are very well baked so that the taste of ingredients in spoons don't get mixed with the food we are consuming with that spoons. Now let's move towards the important changes it got in our lives. The first, a little step towards little contribution to spreading the awareness for environmental conservation and water preservation. Second, an example of how complex problem can be solved with simple solutions is given to the community. And third, which is a proud thing, that not only in India but also in the world, this concept of edible cutlery is invented by our Indian inventor Narayan Pizza Patty. So let's try to increase the use of these edible cutlery and reduce the use of plastic. Thank you.